Remember I told y'all about that, what was it, General RV sticker? Oh! Got it off. So it was just real hot and I was able to peel it back. And I have one in the back too, so Deborah's gonna try to take that one off. Well, took off no pain. Actually came off pretty easy. Let's see how she does this one in the back. So you can see, first it's showing them how the context of it.
Okay, so at first it's like this. Then you have to peel off this part first.
And it's like a rubbery substance.
Yeah.
And then the actual sticker is a foil.
Yeah.
That stays together when you pull. And it seems like it's better when the van is hot. And it might leave some pieces, but you can work them all off with your finger. The bottom line is it did not take any paint off.
No.
This one might be harder than the first one we did, because when we pulled off that one over there, it was like, what, 120 degrees or something like that. And it just peeled right off.
But this one's going to peel right off too.
Okay.
Because it's pretty hot out here today. So.
Oh, look at that. So if you guys got that General RV sticker, get to work.
Do not be scared to take that thing off.
Yeah, get to work.
Because you are free advertising for them, and they give you nothing.
Yeah, they give you nothing. Unless you just like them and, you know.
And that's okay.
I mean, we still got to talk about our experience there.
Yeah.
You know, I guess overall it wasn't that bad. It was really only one person that made the whole experience bad. And yeah, we have to eventually do a video on that.
Yeah, then you'll understand why we have such a disdain for.
Yeah, and that will it ruin your whole experience.
Yeah.
When you have just that one person, especially if it's your salesman, it could change the whole experience from bad to good, right? You can go, a lot of people don't like camping. Well, I want to actually pretend I want to buy a trailer there or something just so I can see the experience.
Yeah, because we don't know the experience.
Yeah. And everyone talks on, look at that coming off like butter. Look at that. There it is. And then you got a little glue residue. You can work that off with some Dawn dish soap. I had used some WD-40.
There it is.
Just kind of worked it off real quick. There it is. So now it looks beautiful. I'll go ahead and get those off. Anyway, any final words, babe?
No, that's all.
What are you going to do with that sticker?
Throw it in the trash.
In the trash? You're going to really throw that in the trash?
Throw this in the trash.
All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, if y'all got one of those General RV stickers or probably any dealer sticker, I don't know, man. I'm going to just speak for this. I took off some dealer stickers on my car, and it's just a little progress at work. This was some reason when you started was very hard, and it seemed very strong. And I was like, this is going to rip off some, this is going to try to tear the paint up. And it didn't. So it actually comes off easier than those car stickers were. So yeah, go ahead and give it a shot. I can tell you this, it works better when it's hot.
Yeah.
And then some people say when you're taking off the car stickers and stuff to use like a heat gun. I had to use none of that because it was so hot out here and it just kind of peeled right off. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.